Hey, congratulations for making to this video and taking the first step toward changing your life. You know, it's quite difficult for me to make this video because my English is not my first language and I don't speak fluently enough. But you know what, I'm not that kind of person who backs down from the challenge, and I want to make that short video anyway to share the information with you that is changing my life right now, that is transforming my life right now. And I hope it's going to help you to make the same decision as I made a few months ago. You know, if you're on this page, it tells me that you're very serious about changing the direction of your life. Give yourself a huge credit and pat yourself on the back, because you know what, most people wouldn't even take that huge step that you just took. My name is Eugene Gruzin and I'm from Brooklyn, New York. And my story probably similar to many people, but maybe it's even much worse. You know, people may have different reasons why they want to drastically change their life, you know, and their turning point may happen due to different personal, financial, or even health reasons. And I want to share with you my short personal story, what had happened to me, why I made the decision to do what I did, and let you be the judge. I grew up in the Soviet Union in a regular working family. And when I was growing up, nobody taught us about how to become business owner or how to work for yourself. Nobody were even thinking about it. Everybody were kind of equal, you know, we weren't allowed to dream about it. But when I came to the United States, I went to college, I got a computer degree, so I wanted to get a good job to start working toward my American dream. And I was working toward an American dream, but not toward my American dream. I worked to make my bosses get what they wanted. During a few years I have changed different jobs, and with every change responsibilities got bigger and working hours got longer, you know, and I had to meet very unbelievable crazy deadlines, working almost 10-11 hours every day to make sure that everything was done on time. Because of all that, my stress level increased dramatically, and I even had to make an appointment to see a cardiologist because I started to feel uncomfortable in my chest area. And he told me that I have to relax more and stop stressing myself too much. But how could I do that? How? But finally, turning point for me happened 2 years ago. I had to take a couple of days leave due to my family matters, and my manager didn't allow me to do it. I was so upset, frustrated, and felt betrayed. After giving the company all I could, that's how it paid me back. You know, I just couldn't stomach it anymore. Have you ever felt like me? Have you ever felt stuck, wanting more in your life, knowing that you deserve more but don't know how to get there? Or maybe you do, but you're just afraid to take that first step. Or maybe you just haven't had the turning point in your life just yet. Well, I did. And I decided to do something different with my life to turn it around. And that's when I turned to online business industry. And that was a real challenge for me. You know, I have always been a full-time employee, believing in getting paid for working for someone else. I felt comfortable when somebody else was making business decisions for me and paying me for the job I did. But you know what? Heck with what I believe. Because what had been happening in my life, the mental, the psychological pain I was suffering while working 50, 60 hours a week, meeting those crazy, unbelievable deadlines was much stronger than struggles and fears I would have to overcome to change my belief in online entrepreneurship and actually make it work for me. So while still working, I started to feverishly digging through the Google for some ways, for some ideas for my online business, or at least to find some way to make an extra cash on the side. I went through a lot of different trainings. I listened to a lot of different online gurus. I slept only 3-4 hours every night just to learn everything I needed to get ahead. But I still remained lost and confused. And finally, one night, I would say about 9 months ago, before going to bed, I was randomly scrolling through some Facebook groups, you know, and by accident I found one strange, weird video. It explained how I could start my online business that could set me free from worries, struggles and anxieties. And I was skeptical first, and it's understandable because I saw a lot of fake gurus online and I bought into a lot of scams. But after just a few minutes into the video, I realized that my life is about to take a huge turn. I liked what I saw, and I decided to go for it. After all, what else do I got to lose, right? And since then, I've never looked back. You know, it's been very challenging and very tough for me, especially when English is not my first language. No, but no matter what, it's been an incredible process for me that has changed me forever after watching a video that I'm about to share with you right here. And thanks to the video, my transformation and personal growth have just been amazing. I went from confused and lost to focused and result-oriented. From unhappy and financially unsatisfied to happy and financially confident. From alone and misguided to welcomed to a new team culture. From self-doubting and unsure of my future to confident and self-fulfilled. But more important than any of this, that I feel like a completely new person. I've never been so happy, optimistic and carefree than I am in this very moment. And all that was only possible because one weird video a few months back, and now I want to help other people to do the exact same thing. And here I want to share with you the same short video that helped me that much. So here's next. On the next page you're going to watch a short video with the guy named Dave. He is going to share with you a little bit about the 15-day online business challenge we are currently doing. And I think you are absolutely going to love it. He'll share with you a few of his own strategies that helped him build multiple seven-figures businesses all on the internet. And again, I'm sure you're going to love what he's got to share with you here. Now, I don't know where you are at. Maybe you are nearing retirement and you are bored. Or maybe you are looking for a side hustle. Or maybe you are sick of working 40, 50, 60 hours work week just to build someone else's dream. Or maybe you are a stay-at-home mom who just got a little extra time on your hand. No matter where you are at, just imagine how would it feel like to learn how to create from scratch online business, to empower yourself, to take your life back, and to finally actually enjoy what you do. Well, I'm not saying this is easy, and truthfully it is not. But if you are willing to put in the work, we will hand you the blueprint. I just have 2 steps I would like you to follow. Number 1. If you'd like to see this short video with Dave, click the button directly below this video and you will be immediately sent over to Dave. And make sure to take immediate action on what you learn. And I can't wait to walk alongside you to help set you and your family financially free. Number 2. Make sure to keep an eye on my emails in your inbox, because I'll be sharing with you a little more about my story and how this has so drastically been changing my life and how it can change yours as well. Can you also do me a small favor? After you watched the video, can you just quickly send me an email and let me know what you like the best about what you saw? So again, my name is Eugene Gruzin and I look forward to meeting you soon. Now click the button below that video and let's rock and roll.